welcome back. So in this video we'll be performing the synchronization of Active Directory Forest with Azure Active Directory Tenant. So the first two tasks that we're going to perform here is, the first we'll be preparing Azure Directory for directory synchronization, and then we'll be installing AD Connect. So now we have to go to the virtual machine that we have created in the first exercise. So instead of the tenant one, go to the your main directory. In this you can click the virtual machines. This is the one that we have created. Click that and connect through RDP and make sure it's in the load balancer download, and use the username and password that you have created at that time. So I've already logged into that. So once you enter, make sure this is off. So initially it will be on, make sure it's off. So once this is done, let's open the Explorer. So you have to go to this particular link which is provided in the GitHub. So once you go there, you have to download this particular software here. So once it is downloaded, the next thing that you're going to perform is go back here, and under tools you can see there is Active Directory Administration Center. Click that. So since it's already there, need to open 2 times. Okay, so you can go here, and that is the one, and go to actually it will be like aritum.com. Here it's my domain local. So you can just go and create one organizational unit which will be to sync. So according to this so you can see the diagram here. We have to use this organizational unit name, and we have to use that add user here. So this I have already created it, so just need to go there and create and add that name, which is to sync here. SYNC. So once that is done, you can just click OK. And once you are inside this, you can add the user. Just need to add the user, and according to the docs you have to add this particular username. So you have to, the same username will be here, the same username will be here. So just need to click OK, and make sure you remember the password here, and here it should be other passwords, and password never expires, and click OK. So the next task is to install the AD Connect. So you have to download if you go here, you have to download this. So go to Azure AD Connect and download this. Once you download, you'll be redirected to this one. So there will be certain steps which need to be followed. So I have completed that. So to be precise, this is the one that we have performed. So these are the operations. After installing the AD, we have performed these particular operations, and you have to use this username and ID which you have used in the XS1. Once it is done, in the end you can see this is the dashboard that will be seeing this, and just need to click start the synchronization process when synchronization completes. So just click OK. So it's just all the straight forward process that you have to perform. Install. So it's been processing. So let's see the task 3 meanwhile. So if we go here, this is the on premises. We have these 3 accounts. Maybe once it's done, we'll be also seeing the other user ID. So it's done. The configuration has been completed. Click exit. So it has been completed, and click users, all users. So now you can see here there is a new user ID which has been created here. So after this, click this particular profile, and here we have to go to the, maybe I can add from here. So here we can add related to his information, so which will be okay. So the department will be sales department. So we have click sales, click OK. I guess it has been updated. Yeah. So let me go back here and just try to refresh it. Well, I couldn't see anything here. So let me use the command which is provided in the GitHub. Let me go to the PowerShell. So in the PowerShell we have a command here. So let me add that command. So it has been success. Let me refresh now. Back. Click the user. AD server. Well, I think it's taken some time. You can see now it has been updated. So, well, it took some time, but finally it has been updated. So this is how it actually works. So I hope you guys have understood the concept of directory synchronization. If you have liked the video, please click like button, and if you want to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys.